Hello everyone, we are here today at Disney's Hilton Head Island Resort to show you a one-bedroom villa. This room does sleep up to 5 adults and can get a little cramped in the living room with both beds pulled out.
Now these rooms do not have any particular view that you can book, you just get whatever you get. Of course you can always make a request, but just remember those are not guaranteed. If you need to have a room that is accessible via elevator and not just stairs, you need to make sure with this resort that you book an accessible room, because most all the rooms here at the resort are upstairs, not on the ground floor, and if you're not in the main building there's no elevators here, so just something to keep in mind when you're booking these rooms.
Let's go check it out.
When we first enter the room here, on the right is going to be our laundry area, as well as that connecting door to the studio next door if you have a 2-bedroom lock off. And right over here on the left we have a coat rack. We have a painting of a fish up here with a little hidden Mickey right there in the middle of the spots. And down below this coat rack and shelf we have a small bench, which here's a super cute detail. They have carved Walt Disney's initials into the bench there on this end, and on the other end we have Mickey and Minnie in a little heart. Super cute little details there. Now behind me is the washer and dryer inside this closet. As with all 1-bedroom and larger villas with Disney Vacation Club, we've got a full-size washer and dryer. We also have our iron and ironing board and a laundry basket in there. And in the main part of the room over here, we have the living room as well as the dining room and kitchen, all kind of one big area in here. It is a full kitchen. We've got a full-size fridge and freezer, a full-size coffee maker, a stove, an oven, a microwave, a dishwasher, and a sink. And then these cabinets are fully stocked with dishes. We've got cups and pots and pans and bowls and plates, silverware, everything you need to cook and eat here in the villa. And then our dining room area is over here just past the kitchen. We've got a bench there in the corner and a couple chairs. Really kind of helps save space with having that bench there in the corner versus having chairs everywhere. And a little picture on the wall there of some puppies and a dog. Looks kind of like Shadow, but that is not Shadow, the mascot here. That is apparently Scupper. And then we have some windows over here and a door leading out to our balcony. We'll go ahead and check that out. Out on the balcony here, we've got a couple rocking chairs as well as a table and some little benches there. A very, very large balcony spanning the width of the room here. So lots of space to walk out. We have a gorgeous view of the water here. Really peaceful and quiet. Of course, as we mentioned, no guaranteed views with the rooms here, but we happen to get a really great one. And then that door right over there leads us into the master bedroom, which we'll go see in just a moment. Here in the living room, we have a couch and a chair. The chair is a pull-out twin-size bed. The couch is a pull-out queen-size bed, and we'll show you those pulled out here at the end of the tour. We have a coffee table that looks like a crate, but it actually is not. It's just a table from American Camper Outfitters. We've got a couple lamps here on either side of the couch. Really pretty picture of the resort here. Actually have that little walkout a little further down in the resort. And the lamp over here has some birds kind of carved in it sitting in the tree there. And we do have a TV in this living room. It is in the back of the island for the kitchen. And there's also a Blu-ray player down below the TV as well. And then on this wall heading towards the hallway, we have a bunch of random pictures. We looked at all these. They all have people in them and little names and years. Pretty sure they're just a part of the decor. Kind of makes you feel like you're a guest in somebody's lake house while you're staying here. A fun little vibe there. Now heading down this hallway, we have our bedroom and our bathroom. We do have 2 parts to the bathroom here on the left. The first one is where you're going to have your toilet and your little pedestal sink there. We have a small shelf right above the pedestal sink, as well as a mirror and a light. And then we have a shower in here that is a walk-in shower. It's not huge, but it is a decent sized shower. So you've got a little bit of room in there. The single shower head in there, not a detachable shower head. And then they do have the refillable shampoo, conditioner, and body wash over here on the wall. So there's no tub in here besides the big tub over in the other half of the bathroom that we're going to now. There is a door that locks to separate these two halves of the bathroom. This one is connected to the master. We've got a very large vanity over there with a lot of storage down below and a mirror and a couple lights up above. And then our closet here where you'll find your extra pillows and your blankets that you'll use on those pull-out beds in the living room. Of course, you also have some clothes hangers and a closet rod. We've got a safe built into the wall there, a little Swiffer wet mop thing there, as well as a vacuum cleaner. And then this is our tub. It is a jetted tub here in the room, very, very large, but it's the only tub here. We don't have a traditional bathtub in this room anywhere. And then we've got the little window through to the bedroom, which in this case is really nice because we can look right out the window and have a beautiful view from the tub looking outside. And then pretty picture up here above the tub. Kind of the back porch there. And we'll head on into the bedroom. In the bedroom, we've got a mirror and a little drawer down below on the seat there, and a dresser with a small TV built into the dresser. We've got a chair and a lamp in the corner, and then the bed is a king-size bed, and we've got a nightstand on each side of the bed. There are no USB outlets or wall outlets built into the nightstands or the dresser, so that's worth pointing out. We've got these really cool lamps that look like trees, though. Kind of awesome. And then all these carved birds in these shadow boxes up above the bed look really cool. And then, of course, on the other side, we have the same lamp and nightstand there. And that door leads us out to the balcony that we saw just a few moments ago. So we're going to head into the living room again to see those beds pulled out. And in here, Alyssa has pulled out that queen-size sleeper sofa and also the twin-size sleeper chair. You can see with both of those beds pulled out, you lose a lot of your floor space in the living room. Gets a little bit tight in here, so if you have 5 people staying in here, it may get just a little cramped with the beds out, but as long as you pick those up when you're done using them, it's really not too bad, and it's a good sized villa for 5 people to stay in. So that's going to conclude our tour of this 1-bedroom villa here at Disney's Hilton Head Island Resort.
We hope you enjoyed that room tour. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up below and comment with any questions you have about the resort here. And of course, subscribe to the channel so you know when we have even more videos coming out.
And if you'd like more information on Disney's Hilton Head Island Resort or the other Disney resorts around the world, you can check out our website, herewiththeears.com. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.
We're here with the ears.